Guys, first of all, Brown Girl, are you kidding me? Thank you. Brown Girls is the first people that ever wrote anything about me. There was like, if you Googled me, there was one thing and it said like 9 reasons we like Utkarsh or something like that. Love.
Obsessed.
My mom sent it to me. She was like, "You made it. Brown girls like you." So cute. It's huge. So thank you. Thank you. Basmati Blues.
Yeah.
Highlight of Brie Larson's career. Here we
you
go.
were right there with her.
I was right there with her watching her peak. Yep.
Yes.
I was like, it's not going to get any better than this. And yet somehow it did. It's a cute movie.
Yeah.
All right. You didn't
Okay.
like it at
Yeah.
all. Let's talk about Mira,
Yes,
Royal
let's talk about
Detective.
What's it like working with just Desi people?
Well, I miss Brie Larson. I'm not gonna lie, but it's super empowering. It's very special, and it's the first time it's ever happened for me in my career where I look the whole call sheet. Call sheet is all the people in the show are all South Asian, and they're all, some of whom are my heroes, like Asif Manvi, Sarita Chowdhury, who I've worked with, but I admire very much. Aparna Nancherla, Hari Kondabolu, who are like comedic heroes of mine. Kal Penn, who made it possible when I saw him in American Born Confused AC and in Van Wilder. His existence made my dream seem like it was achievable. And then Frieda, who I have a lot of respect for. Hannah Simone, who's the homie. She's amazing, super fun, kind, loving. And Jamila, whose work I love as well, both on camera and what she does in her life. And then we found Leila, who's like, and very talented and professional and efficient. Like, she works really well. She's got a kind spirit. Her mom's awesome. Kavi, who's friends with my cousin randomly. Super small world, and we've all come together to sort of do this thing, and hopefully people enjoy it.
Did you get to improvise anything?
Yeah, a little. It was super collaborative. So like improvisation isn't just in lines, right? It's in delivery, it's in sound effects, it's in pitching, cadences and intonations and point of view of the character. And in that regard, I felt like it was an extremely collaborative process, and it was really fun. So that was super enjoyable. I don't know if I had any input musically. I don't think I did, and honestly, I don't think I needed to. Our songwriters are incredible. Like, our musicians are the best. That's one thing that I'm super critical of is music. It's something that I do and feel every day. So the fact that every time I go into the booth to learn a song or to perform a song that they've written, I'm just like, how did you do it again? It's really cool. And I'm a hard sell when it comes to music. And I've been really impressed and blown away by what they're doing.